Okay, good evening, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes, Pramit, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Good evening, all of you. Thank you very much for participating in today's session. Actually, on behalf of the Tectra Academy, we would like to welcome all of you for the Tectra accounting course. Actually, today is a significant, this is like a significant event for us, for the Tectra Academy, because you know that you have know about the Tectra Academy. We started with the engineering courses because we work in the engineering industry. That's why we started our courses for the engineering professionals 2 years before we started already. In 2023, we started our Tectra Academy with the engineering courses. Now we move to, from today, for the new field with the accounting field, and we would like to welcome all of you. We would like to invite all the accounting professionals who like to migrate, who like to upgrade themselves for to join our course. Because actually, we will discuss regarding the later. What is the demand for the accounting field, accounting professionals in the UAE and other countries? And that's why we started this course, because you know about that previous 2 years, we have done more courses for the engineering professionals to upgrade themselves. And our achievement is that we achieved with our students, they worked in the worldwide with the highest standards. We received some requests from the accounting industry, accounting professionals also to upgrade themselves, and we need to find out the way to do that one. That's why we already started our course. And I would like to warmly welcome to our lecturer. Actually, he's a chartered accountant and well experienced in the UAE as well as the Sri Lanka in the accounting field. And he's working as assistant manager, audit and assurance in MBG Corporate Services in UAE. He's a Mr. Amila Vijay Singha. I would like to warmly welcome to behalf of the Tectra Academy, because we know, we trust him, and we know about his way, how to present and how to do that the lecturing, because we have some experience with him. That's why we appointed him as our lecturer for the accounting course. And today we have more people in here. Today we have more participants in here, because you know that in the engineering field, engineering industry, that we are moving to a new field with the accounting course, accounting field. That's why we didn't expect like this participant, but it's very happy moment for us also, and it's very happy moment to our lecture also. I think we can begin our journey with the accounting field. We trust and we guarantee for our course, we can achieve our course, achieve our target with the Tectra Academy. Okay, I would like to invite, and I would like to hand over to our lecturer. He will explain step by step how we will work with our academy, with our course, as well as if you like to migrate, if you like to upgrade yourself, please join with us, because you can check and you can review our website, you can review our Facebook and our social media campaigns, everything. You can see where we are now. because we started with the first step before 2 years. Now we move to in Sri Lanka and other countries also, and we hope that our accounting course also like that. We can achieve our target to upgrade yourself in the accounting industry, accounting field. I would like to warmly welcome and warmly invite to Mr. Amila Vijay Singh. He will present and he will do the course one by one, and he will explain what are the things we will discuss in our course and in the future. Okay, Mr. Amila Vijay Singh, I would like to hand over him to present his presentation.
Hi everyone. So hope I am audible and visible. Someone can answer for me. So can you hear me and can you see me?
Yes, Mr. Amila, we can see and audible.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the nice introduction about me, Pramit. Pramit Hallathura. So Pramit Hallathura is he's the founder of Tectra Academy as well. So he's currently working as a senior QS, senior quantity survey engineer in UAE, one of reputed company as well. He's one of lecturer in engineering field as well as the QS field as well. So thank you so much for the invitation to conduct the session as well as the nice introduction about me. So as Pramit explained, so the things we have created from engineering field to accounting field related to the several matters we'll discuss one by one. Before that, I will just quickly introduce about myself as well. So to get proper understanding about you, so I am Amila Vijay Singh, currently working as assistant manager, return assurance, MBG Corporate Service, Business Bay, Dubai. So I'm a chartered accountant and I'm a accounting and finance undergraduate of University of Peradeniya, Faculty of Management as well. So initially I worked in KPMG, one of big four audit firm. I think you may know about that one in Sri Lanka, almost near 4 year experience I have gathered over there. So initially I joined over there as an associate, but later on I promoted to the associate 1, 2. Then after that I promoted to the audit supervisor as well. So after that, after completing 4 year experience, I moved to the HSBC Global. It may be you have that experience. Some of the guys from HSBC as well, it may be. So HSBC, I moved to their senior fund accountant over there. I work in HSBC as well. Later on, I came back to UAE. So currently working as assistant manager. UAE, I am the team head of the European and the Arabic desk as well. I'm the part of the IFRS accounting and financial subcommittee of the company. When the whatever new standard or initial standard, what are the implementation process, we are helping for that one to get to understand our juniors and our team members as well. So, and that is about brief understand about me. Previously, I am a visiting lecturer in Open University Sri Lanka for the management, accounting, and corporate finance subject for the third year student of Open University as a visiting lecturer, actually, not the permanent visiting lecturer. And I have conducted several accounting and accounting subjects, A-level students, some of the courses and some of the classes as well. With that experience, so why we have get this understand about to create this Tectra academic accounting course, why we have get some significant demand for the Tectra Academy to conduct some sort of accounting and finance related courses to before migrate, especially for the migration expected people. Sometimes in they asking about us like, is there any some kind of courses for that one as well? So with that understanding, I have gathered some of the request as well. So using that one, we thought about to create some of accounting, auditing, taxation kind of courses to get and to initiate their journey in UAE and other countries as well. That is the reason we have created. So this course. So then I will share my screen. Then I will talk about the what are the course procedures and what are the lecturing process and everything one by one to get proper understanding. First of all, I will share my screen as well. So Hope it is visible for you. Can you, someone, is it visible for you?
Yes, Mr. Amila, we can see.
Okay. So in my next couple of minutes, I'm going to discuss about these kind of points, especially with you, about the especially. First, firstly, I need to discuss with you what are the current trends and opportunities in Dubai, UAE, Dubai, and not only the Dubai, UAE. Actually, when we talk about the UAE, sometimes you may know, sometimes you may not don't know. Because thing is, in UAE there are seven emirates over there: Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Al Ain, kind of seven emirates. Sometimes you may know about the UAE. Is the major emirates is the Dubai, and sometimes you know about the Abu Dhabi as well. So overall, seven emirates over there. That's how create the UAE, United Arab Emirates as well. So currently, when we discuss about the what are the current trends and the opportunities in UAE, basically, if you go and search, you will find this data as well. During 2024 and 2025, we have received that 1.5 million of the business registered across the UAE as well. Emirates pre-zone, there are two categories: pre-zone companies and mainland companies. Almost near to 1.5 million business already registered for the 1 year. Again and again, it's increasing the trade license issuance. Like normally, compare with the previous year, sometimes 2.5 3% of that much of percentage increase in the businesses. Because why? Especially each and every country is very interesting part of the one of the country, UAE. Why? Especially for this pre-tax and this low tax regime. So because of together that one, and as well as this is the one of hub. Because thing is, when we consider about the Asian, South Asian countries, Middle East Asian countries, and European and American, Australia, New Zealand, this is one of hub country, because location is the very important. So because of that, each and every company, if there is a multinational company, they are trying to create at least one branch in UAE to get that kind of sometimes reputation, sometimes to communication, sometimes to gather some new clients. Because of that kind of reason, they are initiating over here some of the business organization, at least a small branch. So because of that, so each and every year, so trade license and the business number of business also increasing. When you think about the business organization, there should be at least one financial professional, because thing is and every business need to get the trade license. To get the trade license, they need a financial statement. Currently, there are some of the compliance, yes, many more compliance requirement as well. At least there should be one accountant or one financial guy. So because of that, this much of demand creating over there. So that is a one point. To day by day, this business organization number of business also increasing, as well as the one of important point to discuss for a finance and accounting field guys. Why during 2024 they have implemented, impact is 2024, they have implemented corporate tax as well. So current, before that, no any corporate tax over here. Currently they introduced corporate tax. The effect go for the 2024. First corporate tax return need to submit 2025. That is a separate case. But somehow during this period, they implemented the corporate tax. How it will be impact for us? Why? Now each and every organization need to record. If there is a previously they have just recorded and somehow created the financial statement. No, now they cannot do that thing. Why? Federal Tax Authority, they requested each and every organization, need to prepare the proper financial statements according to the IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards. And according to that, they need to compute the corporate tax. So according to that, they need to file their tax return and they need to pay the tax, corporate tax as well. Because of that, the accounting guy should be a very knowledgeable and professional person, and that need to audit properly. So if there is a previously no any proper audit they have done, currently they need to do the proper audit. Because thing is, corporate tax regime, they accepted only the audited financial statement. So because of that, each and every organization, companies need to do the audit. So corporate finance and accounting guy as well as the auditors. So auditors demand also it's go increase because of this corporate tax. As other than that, who are the people? Corporate tax compliance, corporate tax computation, corporate tax the institute, some kind of corporate tax computing institute like consultancy firm, that demand also increasing. Because of that, this corporate tax implementation hugely impacted our industry, job industry. So corporate finance, account, taxation, audit. This industry boost because of that corporate tax implementation as well. And as well as the normally, so whatever our qualification, like degree qualification in Sri Lanka, degree qualification, and the chartered CA Sri Lanka, and AAT also, some of the recognition professional qualification also over here without any issue, they are accepting. Each and every organization they are accepting, as well as they have a proper experiences. What are the proper experience? If we have the proof for that one, that kind of things also here already approved, accepted. So because of these kind of several reason, be the I mean, attractive and opportunities creating for us because of this impact as well. Other than that, when you consider about your personal life, especially compare with the other countries like some of the European countries and some of the, so no any personal income tax over here for the professionals, no any personal income tax, and the especially very safe environmental create safe environment for us, like no any bribery, like other kind of some of the issues. No, we cannot find out, very rarely we heard about that one. For the personal life as well, there are some opportunities creating over here. So those are the main points that we need to discuss about you as the current trend and opportunities in UAE. So those are the opportunities and trend, but we need to discuss especially about the risk. Yes, if you are a person currently working over here, or you move to over here, sometimes you may know about that one. So if you are still not move, still you are in Sri Lanka, yes, if you move, you need to get some risk. I will share my personal story with you. Previously, I worked in I think Pramit also like the same story. He will share with you if we can request him, because thing is, I'm also worked over here in Sri Lanka as a senior fund accountant as well. I think those days compare with the others, like my salary scheme is well, so that my working condition and everything is well. But the thing is, especially with the Sri Lankan economic crisis as well, impact. But I thought, okay, without thinking, I will move to UAE. Actually, I never thought much more. So what I have done, I have taken the visiting visa. So I moved. I expected somehow I will manage to get job opportunity, then I will succeed in UAE. So with that expectation, I took a risk and I moved to UAE, giving up the HSBC offer as well. Because thing is, if I completed those days after 6 months, I had some promotion as well, salary increment as well. But somehow I thought it is like, no, I will move to there, then I will succeed somehow. So with that understanding, because thing is, I those days I know about one of my friends also, they worked over here. So he also explained me like some of the audit firm opportunities also over here. Because of that, you can come and then you will be able to get the proper job also. So that's why I moved. I got a raise, then I moved. Yes, when you migrate to some of the other countries, like not only the UAE or some of the European or whatever country, there is a risk. Yes, risk, but there is a return as well. If you confident enough, if you get the proper understanding and proper background study about the country and the all the related matters, if you can research and get the understanding, then you will be succeed. So that is the main reason to create this program. Why? So before that, if you are currently in Sri Lanka, so we will discuss what are all the related things, basic, not only the basic, some application level related to the finance, accounting, taxation, VAT, ICV, audit, all the related matters we will discuss. So I will share my screen. I will share my presentation next slides to introduction about the course. So this is the content of our course, actually Tectra Academy accounting course. within next, our expectation is to complete these sessions within 20 hours. Actually, if we need some times, like we will exceed the time. Some if you will request something to discuss further, so we have a that timeline as well, so we can exceed up to another some of the few hours as well. So somehow those are the main areas we are going to discuss next couple of sometimes days, sometimes months. So basically, UAE business environment. Because why? Before that, you need to get proper understanding about the UAE business environment. UAE business environment, because thing is here basically mainland companies, pre-zone companies, and offshore license companies. Those are the main category of the business organization. In that, we are going to discuss about the how it will be, how you can create a business organization over here one by one. That will be very important to before joining into the business organization. You need to know how the business process and how to start the business over here for the compliance purpose and everything. You need to know proper understand about that. That will be help to start journey over here. And what are the ownership rules, restriction, and legal entity types, sole establishment, branch, LLC, what are the compliance requirement? Because thing is, when we think about the pre-soon companies, here pre-soon companies, not only 1 to 2, there are many pre-soon places or pre-zones in UAE. We can say Jabsa, Dabsa kind of name. So there are several pre-zones. Compare with each and every one, there are several compliance requirements to prepare the financial statement, to record, to keep the records, and for the VAT, for the tax kind of compliances, several kind of compliances as well. We are going to discuss each and everything briefly. So what are the things you need to know? We will going to share the presentation and some of the document with you. So basically about the business and environment and compliance requirement. So after that, we are going to discuss about the accounting process and how to prepare the financial statement according to the IFRS as well. So under that, basically, chart of accounts, journal entries, ledgers. From that, we are going to discuss about the trial balances, adjustment, and final accounts as well, and the financial statement preparation according to the IFRS as well. So this is the accounting process. After the financial statement preparation process, we are going to discuss one by one, especially financial statement preparation. So when we discuss about the financial statement preparation, that should be in line with the first, international financial reporting standards, and second, compliances, each according to the each and every as I discussed about the mainland company, pre-zone company, and also licensed company. So after discussing these things, how we will I will just get the one thing to prepare the financial statement. We'll get the trial balance, and I will share you the each and everything, every templates for you. That means what are the templates for the mainland companies, what are the templates for the pre-zone companies, like that I will share with you the draft way. So normally the way is, when we preparing the financial statement, you need to think about the especially IFRS. Especially for the compliances according to the pre-zone LLC companies. With that understanding, we can get a common financial statement draft. According to that, what is the your organization? According to the, see, as an example, if you have applicable lease, IFRS 16, you need to IFRS 16 balance sheet, income statement impact, balance sheet impact, and with related notes, you need to disclose in the financial statement, like that. I have the format for the financial statement. I will share with you what are all the notes and all the related sub caption in the financial statement, including that. I will share you with you the these formats. What are the required things to adjust? You can adjust, because thing is that is common format. Before that, I will discuss in our lecture. While you if you move to the UAE, or if you work in over UAE, you can use this format to prepare financial statement as well. So so under that, accounting process and how to prepare the financial statement according to the IFRS, that thing also we'll discuss. So after that, we will discuss about the important IFRS standard very briefly. Briefly mean actually in the practical level, because thing is when we going to discuss about the IFRS, it's not a very small area. It's a brief area. Like when you discuss about, sometimes we can discuss about the when you discuss about the introduction or some definition, we can create a, I mean, we can discuss about it 2 to 3 hours as well. But what are the application level we request, especially for the IFRS specific revenue? So 5-step model and how we can apply according to the UAE, some of the getting some example for from the mainland company, from the pre-zone company, how that will be, if it is a service, if it is a manufacturing, how we can apply the IFRS 15 revenue standard and IFRS 16 lease standard, how we can apply. So we need to compute the right of use assets, we need to compute the lease liability. This thing we need to discuss, and how we depreciate and what are the depreciation rate we need to take. And there is a when we calculating the present value of the lease liability, I'm just discuss. Sometimes you may like confuse this thing. If you don't have this much of understanding, you will confuse. But I'm going to say, like, these are the point we will discuss one by one in our lecture. We will discuss one by one. And what as I said, like in the IFRS 16, so what are the discount rate, we need to get the compute the lease liability, like that. Special point you need to focus, we'll discuss one by one during our lecture session. So, and IFRS 9 financial instrument, brief level, what are the application level? We no need to go very further details. Impairment of the financial instrument, like that kind of things is quite a very significant moves and quite complex areas. Normally the way is, if we need to apply IFRS 9 impairment and that kind of things, we need to go further understand. But what are the application level you need to know about the, especially under the IFRS 9 impairment kind of things, we will discuss briefly. That's enough to get understand about that one as well. Especially for the, especially when you participate into the accountant, auditor, or whatever vacancy or position. So especially under this within this 3 standard: revenue, lease, and the financial instrument, at least one question will ask from the panel. So I have that experience also. So they asked from me about the IFRS 16 lease, kind of that will be helpful for you while you will participate to the interview as well. So as well as the, I'm going to discuss about especially about the other IS, International Accounting Standard, IS 1 presentation, and IS 2 inventory, and IS 10 event after the reporting period, deferred tax and deferred tax liability computation, income taxes, and the provision 37 kind of in financial IFRSs in brief way. What are the practical level? This thing I'm going to discuss with you. And the major thing, one of major area, corporate tax, UAE corporate tax. So UAE corporate tax, I'm going to discuss about the compliances and the computation parts. We will take 1 to 2 questions. We'll discuss about the general thing. General thing mean how we can compute the taxable income, because thing is, normally before how we compute the corporate tax, we will get the accounting profit or accounting loss. Based on that, what are the allowable and disallowable? Here some of the criteria, allowable and disallowable guidance we have. So according to that, we need to compute the corporate tax. Like sometimes you may have experience in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka also we are calculating the same way, but the thing is, laws and regulation, what are the allowable and disallowable expenses, categories, and the percentage, this thing is different. So, and the exemption level, and what are the when we discuss about the entertainment expenses, interest expenses can be deduct, what is the percentage, kind of special thing we will discuss, and we will compute the UAE corporate tax as well in brief way, but other practical level. And the fill in the requirements and compliance, that compliance related thing, and the planning related brief thing also we will discuss during that session when we discuss about the UAE corporate tax as well. And value-added tax. Value-added tax also, that is not a very complex area, but we need to discuss and we need to get understand about the corporate tax computation and the registration and threshold, and the VAT return filing, And B, you need to know about the FTA portal navigation. FTA means Federal Tax Authority. That Federal Tax Authority portal. We have interface, not like Sri Lanka. So there is a portal through online. We can compute. We can do each and every compliances and submission. Everything we can. In Sri Lanka also we have, but here it's very simplicity. You can directly access over there, and you can, if there is anything, you can discuss with them as well freely. So like that, you need to get proper understanding about the FTA portal also. I will share my screen, then I will show like FTA portal, how you can handle kind of things also. We going to discuss in our lecturers session as well. So after that, external audit and audit procedures. Why actually, why we are going to discuss about this thing, especially from the Sri Lankan, most of the peoples, like when we consider about the finance, accounting, audit, most of the auditors who gather experience from Sri Lanka move to especially Middle East countries. When I think about my friends, most of the friends from audit background, they have some of KPMG, EY, PwC, whatever audit experience, and some of other reputed audit firms. Who are the people? They are moving to here and they are succeeding over here, because thing is in Sri Lanka also, that audit firm background is very valuable over here. They are recognition over here. Sometimes you may have some friends. Because thing is here, huge market for the auditors as well. So if you have audit experience, so if you are in sometimes you can think about like this, why we need to discuss about this. Sometimes you are from accounting field, why we discuss about the audit, corporate tax, VAT kind of things. Why? Sometimes when you think about the accounting field people, accounting or finance or related working while you are doing, if you have that experience, so here, if you can show in the interview, and if you can have some proper understanding about the audit firm, you need to move to at least for the audit industry. Yes, you can join with them if you sufficient enough and you're confident enough while you participate in the interview. So because thing is, as an auditor, just the auditor, you can join with them, because thing is, they will consider about the some of the audit firm, not the big audit firm in UAE, small audit firm. They will ask about the accounting and audit, some of the brief understanding, and like they will not request much more experience over here. So with that experience, with that understanding, at least, like, see, if you are searching about the accounting and finance related job opportunities, but if you not get any job opportunities, at least for the small audit firm, you can join with this understanding, like how, because thing is, accounting guy is not the rocket science of the audit. Audit is like, they know like the process and the what are the audit working papers kind of things. If you have gathered some sort of understanding, so you can easily join with the audit, like what of audit firm as well. So that's why accounting field, accounting side, accountant and the finance specialist, that is need to get this understanding about as well. If you are an auditor, yes, you need to like master about this auditing process and with that audit knowledge and the UAE, what are the requirement for the auditors as well, then it will be a value addition for you as well. So under that audit section, we are going to discuss about the compliance and audit planning and audit working papers and audit procedures, financial statement preparation, a representation letter. If you are audit person, you know about the representation letter and the other related report, like the management reports and the audit opinion, how audit opinion, there are some of the formats over here. I will share according to these each and every criteria. I am going to share the templates especially with you, let the corporate tax computation templates and the value added templates and the external audit related working papers and financial statement according to the each and every session, like mainland companies, pre-zone companies, like that, and what are the other related report you required, because thing is, some of the companies keeping the records financial statement according to the IFRS. Some of the companies keeping the record according to the IFRS for SME, small and medium enterprise entities, like that. So for that, separate format we need to use for the to prepare the financial statement as well. So I have that format according to the common way. So you can edit all the related notes and everything over there. So after the external audit and audit procedures, I'm going to briefly discuss about the ICV. There is sometimes, if you heard about this word, sometimes you know. Currently, is one of trending section related to the finance industry. Actually, we can discuss about the in line with the finance industry in-country valuation program. That mean actually in here look like audit. Look like audit mean if you are a supplier, if you are a business person, you some of the there is a one certificate we can get the score, ICV score. To ICV, if you get the higher ICV score, mean you are a value providing to the country's high level. So you are a very reputed and acceptable person each and every business world. That will create a one opportunity to that business organization to expand their business as well. That's why the organization will request the ICV certificate to compute this ICV certificate and to issue the there is some of the consultancy firm over here approved ICV certified providers. So MBG, my firm, also one of ICV certified approved consultancy firm. Like that, there are auditors, basically auditors and finance guys hires for that opposition as well, ICV department. You can, if you have accounting, audit and tax related experiences, so normally you can join with that one, because thing is that process is look like audit process. Yeah, they will review the financial statement. They will like the ICV, that professional will request you the from the company, like the some of the documents, salary documents, kind of things. They will review. Based on that, the ICV providers creating that scope to give to that company as well. Like that is the process for the ICV. To join that ICV related job opportunity over here, so finance, accounting and tax people can join over there. That's why we are going to discuss about this ICV, that process. Process. So those are the point actually I'm discussing in my session. So if you gather this overall understanding to join with one of company as a professional, sometimes if you have much more, like more than 10 to 15 year experience, sometimes if you have 1 to 2 year experience, it's depend with you. But each and every categories, there is a job opportunities over here. I'm not saying like if you just move in and you will get a job 100%. That is sometimes depend. Sometimes some of the people, some of my friends also normally taking some visiting visa and yet come and just get in within 2 to 3 weeks. Somehow they will manage to get the proper job. Sometimes they are joining with some other unrelated, they are not related to the professional, but somehow they are joining with some other company. So somehow they will manage. Some of the people, they are lacking and they are delaying the process, and sometimes they need to renew the visa kind of things. That thing also happening. But if you are sufficient enough and if you are getting this kind of understanding, business environmental accounting, and this understanding, I think it will be a huge benefit, and that is the reason to join within without getting much more time like also. And other than that, I need to say, if you are going to migrate over here, so as a Tectra Academy, also we have a separate team to CV, your curriculum vitae, that CV review team actually. Normally we are reviewing that CV, what other changes need to made in your CV if there is not in line with the system reader. So then we will request, sometimes we will share in with you the update requirements. So that kind of helps also we are here to provide you as the same. So we are normally getting some of the vacancies, job vacancies, and some of from our clients, and we are getting some of the vacancies. Normally we are sharing with our team. Normally we are sharing everyone like friends, but for your participant also, we are here to share that opportunities also with you. So then if you need any like referee to put referee, we are here to give our all the address and all the email, all the details to share with them, so to represent about you as well. So other than that, if you are facing kind of some issue to move to over here, sometimes like as a help, we are here to help you, like while you move in over here, especially for the compliance requirement or whatever the related thing when you move in from Sri Lanka to here. So some of the problems if you are facing, so if we can help you in our the according to that, so we are here to help you as well. So those are the things actually I need to discuss in this introduction session, especially about our course and the background and the creation reason for the creating this kind of course. So those are the basically the matters we need to discuss with you. So with that, I'm going to conclude about our discussion. There's one thing actually. During that time, we have a plan to get some of the seniors like finance managers and the audit partners or audit directors. Some of the people we have, some of our friends, some of our entity like our company's heads. We have a plan to sharing knowledge and the related matter sessions with you to get more understanding about the UAE and what are the things you need to master and what are the things you need to improve. Related thing as the same, we need to discuss about one special matter with you. What are the other skills you need to improve while moving not only to the UAE, whatever country, or while you staying over here also? What are the other skills you need to master, especially about the communication skills? Because thing is, we are very not a very much of like professional, like very much of professional kind of things in especially about the communication English. Uh, s- um, while you move, you will get that understand what are the sufficient and what are the required level of the communication. Because thing is, actually in Sri Lanka also we are sometimes we are afraid. So I'm also personally experience over that thing. But thing is currently that is a matter, only the matter to discuss and communicate. If you can communicate what are the things you need to discuss in front of others, that's enough. You no need to get like very professional. Yes, it should be a professional, but it's no need to get like 100% accurate or grammatical. No. If you are sharing the things you need to share with others, that's enough. Because thing is currently I'm leading with the European days. European days mean actually I'm basically handling the European and Middle East days. They are like, European countries, Germany, England, who are the people doing the business in UAE. What are the clients we are handling? I am the person leading that team. So to get, yes, we are facing some of their pronunciation method we cannot understand. But if we are focused about that one, we will get understand. So if we have that the enough understanding, if we know about our subject, then no need to worry about that one. We can communicate and we can succeed our project. What are the things we are doing over here? That's enough. But to improve that thing, you need to do some of the special related thing to improve your especially communication skill English. So hope in this session also we are going to discuss about the other skill matter at least 1 to 2 hours, because especially about the communication skill, how you can improve, and what are the things, especially LinkedIn and other platform, how you need to perform to attack. Because thing is LinkedIn and like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Naukri, there is a application as well. So basically, while you move to over here, so those are the platform you need to apply the job. So basically, in there, if yes, you need to be a different person from others. Then you will attract the audience. Audience mean actually recruiters. To get that attractiveness, you need to do some sort of things. Especially, we will do some session for that, how you can properly manage the LinkedIn profile, and to while the people searching you, you will be the first person for you using the algorithm. So how you can properly manage for that one. So, and other than that, how you can properly create the Indeed profile and the Naukri profile as well. This thing also very important because thing is to join with the you, I mean share, I mean applying the job application from the that platform as well. So those are the things. And other than that, other skills like related to the accounting related, we will briefly discuss about the important softwares. Actually, here we cannot discuss about the application of this software because thing is it will take much more time. But we will discuss about the briefly about the some of the QuickBook and Set 50 like that kind of important software. Briefly, what are the important things you need to get if you can go to the YouTube or somehow what are the things you need to get that understanding and that knowledge. So we will share these kind of things also we are going to discuss, not a very in detail way, very brief way. So during our sessions as well. So that are the things actually I need to discuss with you about our course and the as an introduction session. So if you have any doubt or anything to share with us, you can unmute and you can ask any, if you have any doubt or any question, you can ask now. So yes, time for that one. Because I already discussed about the, I think near to like 1 hour. So I think if you have any doubt, what are the things you need to get more? ඒක සිංහලෙන් වුණත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මම ඇත්තට මම දැන් මේ වෙලාව මෙච්චර කල් මේ වෙලාව මම මේක ෂෙයා කරේ ගොඩක් අය ඉන්නවා. ඒ කියන්නේ සමහර අයට සිංහල තේරෙන්න තියා ඉන්නවා. මම මේ ෂෙයා කරේ මේ ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින්. ඔයාලට ඒ කියන්නේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් සිංහලෙන් හරි ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් හරි මොන විදිහින් හරි කමක් නැහැ. මේ ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. අපිට පැහැදිලි කරලා ක්ලියර් කරලා දෙන්න තියක් තියෙනවා නම් අපි ක්ලියර් කරලා දෙනවා. එතකොට මේ කෝස් එකේ යද්දිත් මට කියන්න ඕනේ ඒක කිසිම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ඒක භාෂාව ඇත්තටම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මෙතන ඒ කියන්නේ සිංහල භාෂාවයි අනිත් වෙන භාෂාන් පාවිච්චි කරන අයත් ඉන්න හින්දා තමයි අපි මේක ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින්ම කරේ. අනිත් එක දැන් ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් තමයි අපි මූව් වෙනවා නම් අපිට වර්ක් කරන්න වෙන්නේ අනිවාර්යෙන් ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින්. අනිත් එක දැන් විශේෂයෙන්ම මෙහි ඔයාලගේ තව එක දෙයක් කියන්න ඕනේ. ඔයාලගේ හින්දි හරි මොනවා හරි හින්දි මලයාලම් ඒ වගේ විෂයක දැනුමක් තියෙනවා නම් ඇත්තටම UAE වගේ රටකට මූව් වෙද්දී ඒක ගොඩක් වටිනවා. මොකද ඉන්දියස්ලා ගොඩක් ඉන්නවා. එතකොට ඔයාලට කමියුනිකේට් කරන්න පුළුවන් හොඳ එක ලැන්ග්වේජ් එකක් ඇත්තටම හින්දි මලයාලම් අරබික් වගේ දේවල් තියෙනවා නම් ඒවත් හොඳයි. මේ එතකොට ඔයාලට මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් ඒ ලැන්ග්වේජ් එකෙන් හරි අහන්න පුළුවන්. ඕනෑම දෙයක් මේ වෙලාවේ ඉඳන් ඔයාලට ඒක අහන්න පුළුවන්.
Okay, if you have any doubts, you can discuss with Mr. Amila because he's conducting and he has the idea regarding this session and what are the things we will discuss like that. If you have any doubts regarding to how to move or anything, or if you have any doubts regarding anything related to our course or related to discussion, you can discuss and you can ask from now.
නිහඬතාවයෙන් පෙනී යන්නේ ප්‍රශ්න නොමැති බව වගේ. මේ හරි. එතකොට මේ අප කියන්නන දැන් අපි පාඨමාලාව ගොඩක් දුරට තව සතියකින් වගේ මේ වෙනට ඇත්තරම කීප දෙනෙක්ම අපිට තොරතුරු ෂෙයා කරලා මේ රෙජිස්ටර් වෙලා තියෙනවා අපේ කෝස් එකේ ටෙක්ට්‍රා ඇකඩමික් එකේ. එතකොට අපි ඉස්සරහට මේ තොරතුරු ටික ෂෙයා කරනවා කොහොමද මේක ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලා රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන්නේ මේ කියන තොරතුරු අපි ඔක්කොම මේ WhatsApp group එක හරහා ෂෙයා කරනවා ඉස්සරහට. Okay, so with that, I think if you have any question, no need to discuss now. If you have any question, you have our WhatsApp number. We have a WhatsApp group as well. So I think you, if you are not registered, I mean, join in WhatsApp group. You can. I think you already joined. That's why you are here. So if there anything you have some question, you can message me. I'm in my name. You can see Amil Singh or Pramit Halathra. You can, if you have any doubt to personally discuss, you can ask from us directly through the WhatsApp. So, and if you have any common related thing, you can share that thing in WhatsApp group as well. So according to that, we will discuss that matters as well. So according to that, when about the registration and everything, we will share all the information in our WhatsApp group. According to that, I think today this introduction session we can conclude as it is. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, especially for the time. I think now near to almost 1 hour you were you with us. So thank you so much for your time. And so especially I need to say, to get a proper move, you need to get some risk. Yes, there is a risk, but if you are sufficient enough and confidence enough with knowledge and experience and understanding, that's enough to move over here to succeed your life and succeed your career and personal life and the professional life as well. So thank you so much. So we'll join with our session, I mean in our lectures. So thank you so much, Pramit. With that understanding, I'll ready to move over to you, Pramit. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Amila. I think they have a nice presentation from Mr. Amila, and I would like to thank again and again to him. And I believe that you gain more informative and you understood. I think you understood where you are now and what is the demand for you, and not only that, but also what are the things you can gain from the Tectra Academy, Tectra accounting course. And we would like to invite all of you join with us, because we need to upgrade yourself. We need to upgrade yourself. That is the main thing, main objective. Please, you have to think and you have to change your mind if you like to success. And you have to, because Mr. Amila also highlighted regarding the risk, you have to get the risk. අපි මුලින්දන් කතා කරා වගේ දැන් පැයක තිස්සේ ඔයාලා අපිත් එක්ක එකතු වෙලා ඉන්නවා. මුලින්දම අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කතා කරගෙන ආවිල්ලා ශමිලත් සිංහලෙන් අපි කොහොමද මේ දේ කෙරෙන්නේ කියන එක කතා කරා. අපි මුලදිත් කතා කරා වගේ මුලදිත් කිව්වා වගේ ටෙක්ට්‍රා ඇකඩමිය නිර්මාණය වෙන්නේ ඔයාලව අප්ග්‍රේඩ් කරන්න. අපේ ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල්ස්ලව අප්ග්‍රේඩ් කරන්න. එතකොට මේ පටන් ගත්තේ අපි ඉංජිනේරිං ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල්ස් අප්ග්‍රේඩ් කරගෙන අවුරුදු දෙකක් තිස්සේ අපි ආවා. ඊට පස්සේ අපි මේ සෙෂන් එක නැත්තම් මේ ක්‍රියාවලිය අපි accounting field එකකට demand එකක් තියෙන ඔයාලගේ වටිනාකම ලෝකෙට ගෙනියන්න අරමුණු කරගෙන අපි accounting field එකටත් Tectra Academy අවතීර්ණ වුණා. ඒක තමයි අද අපි පටන් ගත්තේ. අද ඓතිහාසික අවස්ථාවක් අපිටත් අපේ ඇකඩමිය විදියට අපි ලැබපු ලොකු ජයග්‍රහණයක් කියලා මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා සාමන් හිතනවා. ඒ නිසා මිස්ටර් අමිලා මේ කරපු ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එක වගේම ඉදිරියේදී ඒ කෝස් එකත් අපි හිතනවා සාර්ථක වෙනවා කියලා අනිවාර්යෙන්. ඒ නිසා ඒ බලාපොරොත්තුවෙන් අපි සියලු දෙනාටම ආරාධනා කරනවා මේක අහන. ඒ වගේම මේ වීඩියෝ එක අපි හැමෝටම ලබා දෙනවා. එතකොට මේ වීඩියෝ එක බලන හැමෝටම ආරාධනා කරනවා. accounting field එකේ පරතරටම යන්න නැත්නම් ලංකාවේ ඉඳගෙන අප්ග්‍රේඩ් වෙන්න, ඒ වගේම ලංකාවෙන් එළියට ඇවිල්ලා ජීවිතේ දිනන්න, තමන්ගේ වටිනාකම අඳුරගන්න මේක තෝතැන්නක් කරගන්න කියලා. එහෙමනම් අපේ WhatsApp group එක, social media ඔක්කොම අපේ active වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඒ ඕනම website එකට යන්න පුළුවන්, අපේ WhatsApp numbers ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඕනම විදිහකට අපිත් එක්ක සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න. අපි ඒ තොරතුරු ලබා දෙනවා. අපි සතියක් ඇතුළත පටන් ගැනීමේ අරමුණක් තමයි අපි තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට ඒකට දැන් රෙජිස්ටර් වෙලා තියෙනවා කීප දෙනෙක්. එතකොට අපි අලුත් අයටත් රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන්න ආරාධනා කරනවා. Okay, thank you very much for participating in today's session. And I would like to thank again to Mr. Amila Vijay Singh, our lecturer for the accounting course. And I would like to invite all of you for the Tectra accounting course. We will start within 1 week. They have some registered students also here, and we have some registered students also. Please join with us for better future. Thank you very much, and I will share that the recording, the video with you through the WhatsApp and through the Facebook and through YouTube link. Thank you very much again for participating to today's session, and we would like to invite all of you for the Tectra accounting course. Thank you very much.